Danko bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Bafethu ngicela ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-share, ni-comment bafethu ukwenzela ukuthi i-channel ikhule sizokwazi uku-communicate kahle. Bafethu ake siqaleni ngendaba kaCedric Kaze bafethu. uCedric Kaze kule game lena esiphuma kuyo e-TS Galaxy ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Angizange ngimbone bafowethu bekukhona uKhalil Ben Yusuf no-goalkeeper coach lo abambiza ngoJesus Wethu. And then u-goalkeeper coach ngimbona masokufika kule sikhathi sokuprepare ama-substitute is the one who's busy going to the books, doing ama-substitute. So what I don't understand ukuthi what is going on ke lapho. Is it the end of uCedric Kaze? Or we're still going to see him. Maybe he was busy with something. So they leave us with more questions to ask. But ke bafethu ngibona naye uBen Yusuf naye maye bembuza ama-question lana kwi-media bafethu, he started to be like aggressive to ama-media houses, and then ama-media presenter bafowethu, he started to be aggressive, and which is something that I don't think he must do, because ama-social media, they are more dangerous kakhulu. They can dirty your name, they can clean your name, they can put a pressure on you. So sometimes you don't have to ukuthi ubasese ngenhliziyo. Kumele wenza ngathi awuyiboni lento abayihlosile, because they know very well as they are coming from far ne-Kaizer Chiefs. They know ukuthi ama-social media, they are always aggressive to i-Kaizer Chiefs. So now they don't have to react the same. Listen to him.
We have big squad now. There is a lot of competition between the player. For us as a coaches, we are with them in the training session. We see which player is more ready for the game. Also, we prepare the plan of the game. We know when we make substitution, when we have to make the substitution in the right moment. Bartman is in at 18 minutes. He played very well last 10 minutes. He created a lot of opportunity for us. We have to continue to work. The most important thing is the team, not the player.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. The most important thing is a team, not a player. But as well, the players are more important. You have to know how to use them, especially on games like Abo Chipa United, TS Galaxy, where we were more like attacking than defending. Sometimes you need to be brave enough as a coach. Kufuneka umuntu okwasho uBobby Mtaung wathi kufuneka umuntu onamazambane bafethu. Ngeke ngibize the way yena wayebiza ngayo, kodwa kufuneka umuntu onamazambane bafethu. Uma ngabe sokufika ama-situation afana nalawo, uthola ukuthi you are not scoring, but you are attacking. You have a lot of position. Your team is defending well, but there's nothing to defend, because attackers, they are holding the opponent. We understand. So sometimes kudingeka isibindi bafethu ukuthi ubheke ukuthi okay, makunjena ngasacrifice bani ngifake someone like this ozokhona ukuthi ayenzeni angikorele. So even that day, I don't regret the way esidlale ngakhona, and in the formation le ama-coaches abekawafake lapha, although I only saw one coach, I didn't see uCedric Kaze, so I don't know ukuthi maybe uCedric Kaze naye wakhe ama-decision, and then no uKhalil Ben Yusuf naye unawakhe ama-decision, but whoever who sorted that squad edlale that day, that was a good squad. Bese kudingeka i-braveness and nokuhlakanipha masubona ukuthi now you keep on knocking on the opponent's goal post, and then into omele uyenze njengamanje, you have to sacrifice, or else abantu abafana nabo-Silva nabo-Mayo abantu aba-good, you were supposed to ukuthi ushiye one at least, yabo.
Thank you. Next one.
SMPTV coach 2 games in a row playing 0-0. You are not scoring goals. What are you going to do to fix the scoring opportunities that you are creating but you are not using?
I think both games we said a lot of things. We said the same thing. The most important thing, that's the performance of the team. Both games we dominated these two games. We create a lot of opportunity. We have the same problem as the last third. We create a lot of opportunity, but we are unlucky to score. Now we'll have this break to fix this problem and to think forward how we can continue forward.
Yes, this is true. We are creating a lot of opportunity. He's telling the truth. We are creating a lot of opportunity, but as we are creating a lot of opportunity, you can see that we are failing to deliver, which means there is someone who's lacking there, who's not doing his job properly. So, as a coach, you have to look properly and see who is not doing the job. And then you replace the person that is not doing the job, not to replace the one that is trying to do the job. Because of when I saw him replacing two of them, Mayo and Silva, like I was like, this guy, can't you see that they are trying something? Instead of adding, you are reducing the danger. You understand? So you are making the opponent be free. So you are letting free of your opponent. If you see Ugusi Manje, we are creating a lot of opportunity, but you are unable to score. You have to look for the solution, not to calm the game. The game, the intensity of the game, it was very high. I don't wanna lie. But after replacing uKhanyisa Mayo no Silva, and then igame iqale ukuthi islowe down kancane.
Coach Nosiko from Rise FM. Looking at today's game, the several missed chances, how are you feeling? What do you think went wrong in today's game?
Yes, I think, like I said, we are so happy about the performance of the team last few games. I think the team performed very well. But all of us, we are frustrated about missing points, and because we are not scoring the opportunity we get. We have to continue to work. We have to fix this problem, and then I think the most important thing that the performance of the team. If the team is performing well, we don't have to be scared about the team. When the team is not performing well, that's a real problem for us.
Hey, look at him when they ask him a question. Like you can see in his face, Uguti, hey, don't even ask me deep questions. You can see on his body language, Uguti, he doesn't like them to go deep to the question. And what is the job of media houses when you don't want them to ask questions? As long as they are asking questions due to umsebenzi wakho owenzayo. Because sometimes as a coach, you have to accept questions afana nalawo ukwenzela ukuthi kube wona ake akhayo. Because sometimes if you don't allow them to ask those questions, you won't see your mistake. Because when they are busy asking you questions, you have to some other questions you have to ignore them, but other questions you have to take them. When you get home, you have to sit down as a coach and then you listen to what they were busy asking you instead of being angry. You don't have to be angry because when you are angry, okay, someone else can stop asking you, but those journalists, they are professional. They know how to irritate you. They know how to make you angry, more angry. And then you ended up not saying whatever we want to hear as Amakosi fans.
Coach David from Norwich FM. Coach, I see your team is having a lot of changes on your first 11. You see now you introduced the likes of Mabo, you're starting with the game. Also at the back, Eden Makata has been dropped. So are you still experimenting with the team, or you do have the team that you play with? I know you have to rotate the players, but do you have the team that you trust that can bring you results now?
So you ask and you answer at the same time. If we have player, Eden McCarthy was out, why? Because he get injury. And then if the player he take his position is performing well, what we have to do? Also we have big squad. We have the load. We have to manage the load. There is some player. You are not with us in the training. You can't know why we make the substitution. If you ask me why we make the substitution, we can answer. But to say it's experimental, we are not here experimental. We are more than one season with the team. We know all the player. We are working with the team. We know which team we have to choose. We are working together, all the technical staff and the boards. We know what we are doing. We are not here to make experience.
Is there some more questions as we're closing?
But yeah, the coach, I think he was more aggressive. The question, experimenting, I think that word is the one that angered Coach Khalil Ben Youssef. But sometimes you don't have to fight them or make them angry like the coach is doing. Sometimes you have to make them understand because the question is simple. Why did you make substitution when you see that Kanyisa Mayo is doing well and Uda Silva is doing well, and we have been seeing Ugusi Eden McCarthy is doing well, but we don't see him. The question was simple. You are supposed to say no. Eden McCarthy is injured. Okay, we do understand, because even me, as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I was asking myself what is going on with the Eden McCarthy, because they just dropped him. The boy was playing very well. So, uh, as a coach, he has to think. You don't just respond because you feel like you are angry, or we understand media houses, they're always attacking Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't think it's the right time for Khalil Ben Youssef to fight back now. He doesn't have to fight back. He has to make them understand. You don't have to fight them. Make them understand. Uguti, okay, as a Kaizer Chiefs coach, I'm standing here. I'm trying to correct this and this and this and this. It's not a problem by experimenting something, because of you are trying to correct. You are trying to get the right people ukuthi bakhona ukuthi badlalele i-team. So his question, I mean the question of media houses, they were simple. Yena i-answer yakhe bekumele athi, we are trying to get the right people on at the right time. Simple as that.
We'll take one, two, I'll ask permission from Jabu. We'll take just one, two. Let's hear. It must be a quick bite.
Coach, today was obviously the last game for the year 2025. So you guys gonna go on break, or you're gonna try and fix those problems that you have identified looking into today's game and the previous games? Maybe going on camp, or what will you be doing as Kaizer Chiefs?
I think we will share the program. We will make both of them for sure. We will have the break, and also we will have camp to fix. With our media after, we will share the program of this month about the camp and about the program.
Great. Last one, leader.
Yeah, I think he responded very well, because sometimes you don't have to share all of the information that you have, or you want to do. The same like when we started the season, Kaizer Chiefs coaches, they would like sharing whatever they are doing at training, showing the opponents ukuthi, how weak we are when we are doing this, how strong we are when we are doing that. So sometimes you don't have to share all of this information. I can see now they have started to be greedy, like with the information. Even to us, Ama Kaiser Chiefs fans, they started to be like greedy. They're not sharing enough information now. Bayakhetha ukuthi bashare ini, which is good because you cannot be sure ukuthi who is a Kaiser Chiefs supporter, who is not a Kaiser Chiefs supporters, because some of the people they act like supporters were Kaiser Chiefs while they are not supporting Kaiser Chiefs, while they are trying to break Kaiser Chiefs. But there's certain information that you need to share as Kaiser Chiefs management. There's other information that you don't have to share because you are exposing the way we are playing, the way we are training, and then now opponent they can see ukuthi oh lo muntu weak makayenza so Peterson is weak when he's trying to do this. So now you are exposing us as Kaizer Chiefs. But I think Lento Yusuf Fugusi, when he's being asked the question arise and then he want to start to try and smile. And then when they ask him deep questions and then you want to be like angry, you understand? So you don't have to change your face when they are asking tough questions. You have to be prepared as a coach to wait for those questions.
From Children News. Coach, I want to ask you, when you look at the overall team or the overall squad, the way they perform, which positions do you think needs to be developed in going to the next year?
I think all the players they perform very well. We continue to work. We have a good squad. We have to continue to work. If there is recruitment or if there is something, we'll discuss with the board and we'll share it after.
Coach Khalif Ben Yusuf, we thank you very much. We wish you all.
Khona bafowethu, I can see Ukochi was happy when they say, now he can go. He couldn't wait enough to go out of that media house. So before they ask him more tough questions. But what I can say, he's right when he doesn't tell Inkinga Kaizer Chiefs to the media house, especially about players, transfer, who is leaving, who is not leaving. Because tomorrow it can be changes. Uthola ukuthi banegotiate bakhulume, and then the player is back and then he will look like a clueless coach who doesn't know anything. So I think he protected himself there. That is good as a coach, but sometimes he has to fix his mistakes, especially about this thing of being arrogant to the social medias. You know, he doesn't have to be arrogant. You doesn't have to be aggressive to them. You have to try hard to be soft as you can, so that you can understand, you can learn something. Because other questions, it's not just question. It's something to wake you up as a coach to see, oh, people can see that this is happening. So which means I have to do it like this. Even though you doesn't do it the way they asked you, but you can do it better. That's what you can do as a coach. Because when you are angry, whatever the people they are saying to you, you take it as an offense. But on my side, the players that needs to go, I don't wanna lie, guys. I don't know. I don't care who is in favor of who, but whatever I'm saying from my heart. Especially players like Abo, uh, Uduba. I cannot say he must go because I haven't seen him enough, especially after Nabi. Because before Nabi, he was trying something, but after Nabi is gone, he started to be lazy, rude. We don't know what is going on. But Dupris, I think he needs to go. Even Modi, man. Modi, I think they have to loan him somewhere or sell him and get new players. We have someone like Uvele Pai. Shabalala can play as a left wing. I saw him, even if he was clueless when it comes to when he's there on the 18 area. He started to be confused, but I think he's more better than Modi because at least if you see that someone is on the space, he can pass him. But Modi, once he get the ball, you want to run on the corner, and then he lose the ball, then child. So and then basubani lo mjita lo wendiya lona basubani kanti lona Morris high Morris ngeke. I think he's the number one who needs to go. Like he really needs to go bafowethu. Bese ubani elinye player nje abo Frosla laba, I think they need to sell them because I don't see they are useful in Kaizer Chiefs. Abo Frosla, I think they really need to go bafethu. Who is the other player nje omunye engimbona ngathi uhleli nje useyiphasela nje lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Abakhona nje maybe few but la esengiba khombile lapha, even Sirino, they can just sell uSirino bafethu because of yes, he has the experience, but he doesn't have that energy anymore. I think he's telling himself, good, Kaizer Chiefs, they are nothing without me. But so we don't need a player like that. We need someone who's hungry for goals, who's hungry for game time. Because Usirina these days, even if you play him a full match, he doesn't have that energy anymore. He's good as a substitute. So I don't think we need someone who's good as a substitute only. We need someone who's gonna be aggressive, hungry for goals, hungry for passes, hungry to find players in spaces. And the other thing I just want to say, well done to Matlo because on the last a video that I posted where I was talking about him, I was not happy at all. When they left Matlo on the pitch substituting Umabu. So I don't think it was a good thing. But this time he played very well, but I don't agree with the coaches when they replaced him this time, putting Undlov, because Undlov, I don't think Usefomin Undlov. He was on the form when he came, but for now he slowed down. So when you see Uti, the player that it doesn't mean when we complain about the player the next time a coach when you see what is doing well, you have to replace him. You have to replace a player when you see what the player is not doing well. Then you can just replace the player. And then bese kube ubasibani lona uMiguel bafethu I think he tried ukuthi azibambe nyana kule game ukuthi angalose nje amabhola, but I think it's because of attacking Kaizer Chiefs. They were more aggressive to the opponent, so the opponent didn't get enough chance to fight back. So that's where we didn't see the mistakes of Miguel. And Miguel, ama mistake, yeah, there is mistakes that he did. Lendo ukuthi goalkeeper, you want to kick the ball, and then when you just put open foot in front of goalkeeper's leg, you cannot just put open boot because ama-cocks wonke are open to opponent. You are trying to hurt the opponent when you are doing like that. That's why they gave him a yellow card. Yena into bemela yenze, when a player releasing that ball trying to kick, you are supposed to at least kick the ball quick. When you are doing such things, you need to be quick and you need to be clever. Steal the ball and then you steal it to the striker. A striker can just score. Even if the goalkeeper complains and say whatever, but the referee is looking. You understand? And kumele siyeke lento ukuthi mangabe i-referee, yes, i-referee isirobhile, but let's not keep on sticking on that. Ukuthi the next game we are like we were being robbed, so we don't have to do well. We have to keep on trying so that we can expose ama-referee wala ku-PSL bafowethu But it's not only PSL. La kungena VAR corner, I think there is always a problem. I think we really need VAR buffer so that we can correct such things. But we need to be prepared when that VAR is there, so that masesibhekana nama-situation anjena uthola ukuthi we are the one esikuleyo situation, and then i-opponent ikorile, and then i-referee ithi no, it's an offside, and then kube ne-VAR, i-VAR ithi no, it's a goal, then sizoluza imatch. I think we have to be prepared. Singabheki ukuthi imistake mayenziwe kithi kuphela, masibheke nokuthi masidlala ne-opponent, we don't allow the opponent to attack us, because we have i-VAR ezokhona ukucorrect ama-situations. We don't have to do a lot of mistakes because there is i-VAR izokhona ukubuya lithi this is a penalty, or this is a free kick, or this is a red card, then we lose the match. Thank you very much, guys. Please keep on listening and correct. Let's correct together. Ama matches, nama coaches wethu, nama players now, because they go to social media and listen to us. So let's try and correct whatever we are trying to do, Bafethu, so that we can grow as Kaizer Chiefs. We really need to win, especially next year. We need to come prepared, Buffett. Thank you very much.